Drying your soybeans must be a solution of last resort. Today, we are talking about the challenges associated with drying and how to go about doing this step well when it's necessary. Hello and welcome to Ceresco Academy, the place to keep you informed about different agronomic techniques and help you get the most out of your crops. To comply with the requirements of international buyers, most grain elevators only take in soybeans with a moisture level under 13%. If the moisture level is slightly too high, you should favor in-silo ventilation. For the process to be efficient, the fan must be of the right size for the volume of soybeans in the silo. Check out the ventilation chart supplied by the silo manufacturer to ensure proper ventilation. Also, don't forget to regularly check the moisture level to avoid overdrying. Drying is required when the moisture level is above 15%. Anatomically, soybeans and corn hull are quite different. The pericarp being more delicate, a soybean is more sensitive to drying temperature. At Ceresco, we dry the soybeans with a top dry batch dryer unit with minimum grain travel. This reduces the risk of damaging the beans. Other types of dryers will do just as well. We advise that you use equipment with few augers to maintain quality. It is important that your augers and conveyors run at full capacity to avoid damaging the soybeans. Contrary to corn, the drying of soybeans is done slowly at low temperatures. Soybeans temperature should never exceed 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and the plenum temperature should not be more than 110 Fahrenheit. It's common practice to only dry a few tons per hour. Here is experimental data proven in our facilities. It is good to know that the relative air moisture level and exterior temperature affect the efficiency of the drying process. In the fall and spring, dryer settings are at 105 degrees Fahrenheit for the plenum and 95 degrees Fahrenheit for the low flame, a differential of 10 degrees. We calculate that the soybeans are sufficiently dry once their temperature is equal to the initial moisture level plus 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So, for soybeans with an initial moisture level of 16%, we will dry them until their temperature reaches 86 degrees Fahrenheit. During winter, we slightly increase the settings of the dryer. The plenum is at 110 degrees Fahrenheit and the low flame at 100 degrees Fahrenheit, therefore maintaining the 10 degrees differential. Checking the final moisture level of the soybeans is essential to adjust the dryer settings and ensure a quality drying process. If you are drying at a too high temperature or with inadequate equipment, you risk damaging the soybeans and affecting their quality. If you have any doubts, our team will gladly help. And if your facilities don't allow it, Ceresco offers its partners a high-quality drying service. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on our social media to make sure that you are notified of our next videos, and visit the Ceresco Academy section on our website to get access to useful tools allowing you to maximize your field performance.